Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Madurai is famous for several delicious dishes and today I'm going to show you a wonderful side dish for tiffins. This is called Thanni Chutney and it is famous in Madurai. You would find this in any street food shop there and people love it for its unique flavor. So now let's get started and check out this recipe. I have all the ingredients required to make the chutney here. Now take a pan and put 2 teaspoons of oil and heat. Add 2 medium-sized onions roughly cut up to this and about 5 large garlic cloves. Add 10 green chilies and saute everything together. You can adjust the chilies according to your taste. Once the onions are translucent, turn off the heat and cool down the ingredients completely. Transfer the cooled ingredients to the mixer jar and add about half cup of roasted chana dal to it. Also add about 1.5 teaspoons of rock salt. Grind these all once without adding any water. Now add some water and grind it again. Now you can see how smooth and nice the chutney is. This is the consistency we are looking for. Now transfer this to a bowl and keep it aside. For tempering, take 3 teaspoons of oil and add 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal. Also add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and roast. Once the mustard seed starts splattering, add 2 roughly cut up red chilies and a few fresh curry leaves. Now add about 1 tablespoon of finely chopped shallots and saute for a few seconds. Once the onions are fried, transfer the ground chutney to the pan and mix well. This is called Thanni Chutney because it has to be diluted, so add enough water to make it lighter and mix well. Keep adding water until you get the watery consistency in the chutney. I've added about 3 to 4 cups of water to this recipe. So you can see I've diluted the chutney well. If you do need to add more water, you can add a little more water to it. There's no need to overcook the chutney. This is good enough. I'm now serving this chutney with fresh piping hot idlis. You can enjoy this with dosas or upma as well, or any other tiffin of your choice. So as you can see, this is a very unique chutney and it's very different from the regular ones we make. I'll give you a couple of links to the other chutney recipes I've made earlier. Do check them out. To try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.